Hey, it's Noe with WTI. If you're planning a trip, whether it's for the whole family or for yourself, but just don't know how you're gonna get it all to fit, well then you're gonna wanna check out this set of 11 compression cubes from Percover. Really, these bags are interchangeable and you can use them for what fits your needs. Of course, a great thing about compression cubes is that you save so much space, but I just love that this set really took care of all my needs. The material on these are very strong and the surfaces really allow you to easily wipe them down if they do get dirty. I also love the fact that it came with a hanging toiletry bag and also a 3-tier foldable hanging storage bag. These definitely were hands down my favorite 2 bags to use during our trip. It not only was easily accessible, but I love that I could hang it on the towel bar. It made it very easy for me to visually see what I needed to get and very easy to put back as well. Another fun discovery for me was on the back end of the toiletry bag. It had an area for me to organize my jewelry, which was an added bonus. So if you're like me and want to bring it all, then you're gonna love this set of 11 compression cubes from Percover. And that's my point of view.